Hi, I'm Cory, and welcome to Get Creative at Home. So today we're going to do some upcycling art crafts. First we're going to do some Blackout Poetry, and then we're going to do some collage comics. So these are like simple things that you can do at home. They don't require a lot of supplies. So the first one, Blackout Poetry, basically you can take, if you have an old book that you're not going to keep or a newspaper that you have, you can like go through, look it over, and you're gonna underline some key words and phrases in it that you think like stand out, and then you're gonna black out the rest and create a poem. So like this one was done by my coworker Melissa, and she is gracious enough to come and read it real quick, and then I'm gonna show you how I do mine. So, go ahead.
Hi, I'm Melissa, and I'm going to read you my Blackout Poetry. This actually came from a page out of the book Emma by Jane Austen. So my poem reads, "If I had given many little encouragements, straightforward, open-hearted understanding, this is the only way I have of doing a service. I will be so kind with a great deal of pleasure, and it will be a much better thing." And that was my poem.
Awesome. So now, like I said, you can use either so like newspaper, or if you have like an old book that's damaged, like we did with Emma. Like I have like a page of Emma that I'm gonna do. So basically, I went through earlier and looked, and I found some words that I thought like stood out. I've seen as well that you can like create some words. Like if you see the letters for other words mixed in there, like I wanted to use the word art, and I had 3 words in a line that had an A, an R, and a T, so I'm just gonna black out the letters around them to create that word. So that's maybe a little cheating, but that's I think it's cool to like do it your way and come up with something cool with it. So I'm gonna black out mine, and then I'm gonna read it to you guys. Alright, cool. So I'm going to read mine, which is also from Jane Austen's Emma. Whenever I observe art, a great comfort, this flow of ideas, always welcome, no regrets, a happy circumstance which I gratefully observe. So that's my Blackout Poetry. So like I said, we also have a second activity, collage comics. So similar to this, if you have any old beat up comics that you're not going to keep, or graphic novels, or even like some old comic strips from a newspaper that you have, you can just take them and reassemble them. Even a picture book, like one of the ones I had, I got some out of a picture book. And this one we're going to take. So I had went through earlier and pulled out some pictures that I liked, and I cut them, and now I'm going to glue them all together onto a page. So the thing I liked about like these upcycling crafts is that like they don't really require a lot of stuff. If you have like just old books, some glue, some scissors, that's all you really need to like make it happen, and just go crazy with it. Come up with unique stuff. So this one is a little silly, and it's I was inspired by the recent Unicorn Day and unicorn poop. So it reads, "Unicorns can't be house trained," and everybody is super upset about that. So it's a little silly, but it's fun. So and I have more stuff so we can like make another one, but it's It's pretty simple stuff. Just look through and see what you have lying around. So this one, I got the images from an old Naruto comic I had, and also a Rocket Power picture book. So that's a throwback for any of you that remember the 90s. So, and this one reads, "I don't even feel pain. Look at me. There's nothing in my heart." And she's like, "Yep." So yeah, so that is our Blackout Poetry and our collage comics. Let me know if you guys make any and share it with us at our site at hashtag Suffolk Public Library. And I look forward to seeing your stuff. Bye.